Hi guys, how you're doing? It's the one and only Edlin Motsamai. Can you see I look way better than last week? I was suffering, guys, but I'm not going to talk any further about last week. Please make sure that if you are into business or AI, as well as if you are having a small business or an up-and-coming organization or even a sector whereby you want to grow and increase it, with popularity or as well as finance, you can actually follow my page, which is Mount Walker 88 today. Okay, and therefore tell your friends about it. Also, please go and check out my links in the comment section, as well as the link on my bio is actually my digital products, whereby I actually teach you in terms of health as well as how to make money from zero rands or dollars or pounds, meaning that I'm going to teach you how to make money with no money in business. Okay, so you can go check out my ebooks as well as my schedules and planners there. Now guys, how you're doing? I'm doing good. Please do not mind my thing like this. Yes, I look better than last week. Guys, I did explain about it on my Rumble page. If you are into needing motivation, you can go and check out in my Rumble app. Now, this is actually a best time for me to videoize this, because outside at this moment, as you can hear, there's a lot of sounds and stuff. It's because I actually stay next to a church, guys. I stay next to a church. So therefore, today, this video is about churches, okay? Now, I did make a placard. Please do not mind me, guys. It's because what happens is that I'm a bit matured in age. I'm a bit matured in age, so therefore I do not remember things. But when I do, I just jot it down. So this whole week while I was still healing, before I did the video, I said, no, I have to jot down the apps or the AI tools that I know that can help your churches as well as your community congregations or even small churches for you to grow, okay? Now, guys, if you are a beginner pastor or you are a beginner of any religion, okay, and you want to grow a congregation, this doesn't have to deal or appeal, because I know in terms of religion, we have to respect everyone's religion. So this applies to people that are Jewish, Buddha, whether you are even into Muslim, you are into any type of religion, guys. I am not biased in religion. I love learning about religions. So therefore, this is for everyone, okay? But the reason why I use the word pastor, it's because it's the only way to penetrate you, to say the head that gives you sermons, okay? Now, today I'm going to teach you on apps whereby they actually grow or increase your financial revenue in terms of your congregation to grow, as well as your community services being done, as well as your meetings to be planned right, okay? So say for instance, you need a sermon to be written or to do a sermon for your Sunday, your Sunday congregation, or even to send it out like, a snippet in order for people to come into the church because they felt you. What you can do is that you can check on Pulpit AI and Pastors AI. Pastors AI actually helps you. And don't worry, all the apps will be here. Okay, all the apps will be here for you to actually go and download and check it out for yourself, okay? And that what happens is that it assists you regarding to your sermons. Now, if like say for instance you have social media, or you want to start social media for your events, for your church congregation, or even your anything to regarding to your church services, okay, or even conventions, you can have this app, okay? This app is called Buffer, all right, where it assists you regarding to that, as well as Canva on Magic Design, whereby you can actually edit your videos or your advertisements for your church sermon, okay? Now, another thing is emails. So say for instance, guys, because you are as a pastor or a person that's new in the ministry, or even you in Buddha, or you are in you're Jewish, or you are Muslim, anything, okay, and you new in terms of your religion pathway, what you can do is that you can send out emails just like digital marketing, and you can send those emails to MailerLite, okay? There's also another one called Beehive. It's BEHIIV. It's also here, okay? And therefore, you can send your emails to try and, tell people, excuse me, to come to church, okay? To come and see your services as well, okay? And what's great about AI, guys, while you're sleeping, it will do it for you with an AI agent, okay? I did speak about it previously in the hairdresser as well as funeral businesses in terms of how to make a AI agent and also deal with agentic AI. You can go and check that out, okay? Now, okay, by the way, guys, the reason why I keep clearing my throat, it's because I'm still not okay, but I have explained it on Rumble, okay? So next one is translation of multi-languages. I'm saying multi-languages. So if you have a lot of people in the church that are different types of languages, whether it's any type of church or any religion, you don't have to stress yourself out. What you need is to download Wordly AI or Glossier. I have dealt with it before because of translation regarding to my entertainment sector of my business, okay, Glossier. So what happens is it's going to be there, okay? What happens is that it actually translates for you in terms of the sermons or to send translations towards the clients, or I'm saying clients now, towards the church, okay, regarding to, those pulpit things and it moves and yeah, it actually helps you with multi-language. It helps you, actually helps you with that, okay, with multi-languages to assist with your church, okay? Excuse me. Now, another thing is that if you need an AI chat assistant, guys, and therefore you cannot cope and your congregation is like booming, now you've come to a point whereby your small church has grown. You don't have to stress yourself out, okay? What you're going to do is that you're going to go to Pastor AI or Glue AI. Glue AI, I've used it before, whereby it assists you with the AI chatbots so that the fact you can speak to them in terms of religious, okay? Religious terms. And then you can tell the AI bot to talk in terms of what you want them to say whenever probably a person that wants to join the church, you can send them the link and therefore they can speak to your AI services or place it towards your WhatsApp or even Kick or anything, okay? But you can go and check them out. They're all here. And then therefore you can see if whether you are liking any of these AI tools. Now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And thanks for the patience regarding to my YouTube channel as well as my Rumble page. I have not been in a well space, okay, in terms of physically, in terms of medically, okay, but therefore I'm here now, I'm back, and therefore I will not be taking time to actually post anymore. It's just been a long story. I did explain it in my motivational page on Rumble. You can go check it out, but therefore please subscribe, guys. I'll highly appreciate it. Also, I teach AI in business excuse me, AI in business. And then I also train you on small businesses and how to make money with no money and start up a business with 0 rands or $0. And also you can check my ebooks there. They will teach you everything bit by bit about it. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for your time.
I have 5 years in artificial intelligence experience based in Johannesburg.